Hello everybody, this is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I am taking Miss Tricia's place in leading you through the Clearview Homeschoolers Academy. So today we are going to be biome explorers. And so you might say, what is a biome? And a biome is a place on the earth that is identified by the life forms that live there. Now, when we talk about life forms, that could be plants, it could be animals, it could be people, it could be bugs, reptiles, the whole bit. Everything that lives there helps identify that as a particular biome. Okay? So, adults in this program, first of all, you will have picked up your kit at the Clearview Library. And you will see that there's a whole bunch of papers in there for you to use to guide this exploration. So, adults in your home are facilitators of this exploration. Make sure you look at this first. This is your exploration information packet. And the first thing I want to point out in this is that you're going to see words that are in bold. And the bold words are your vocabulary words, and those are important words because you need to know what they mean to be able to go on and learn more. So make sure your kids are paying attention to that. When you're doing the exploration, make sure you ask lots of open-ended questions. And those are questions that cannot be answered with a yes or no, but they need a real answer, and kids have to put more into it to be able to process and think of that answer. So lots of open-ended questions. Encourage kids to explore more as they start finding places or things that they're really interested in. If your child is really interested in giraffes and they see that giraffes live in the grasslands, they might want to do a little additional exploration about giraffes, and that's really good. We like kids to get more interested in other things while they're learning new things. Okay? We'd like your kids to make connections between their habitat and their life, where they live, what experiences they have when they do the Biome Explorer program, because that will help them learn better. We all know that when we make connections, we remember what we learn. Okay, so if you have little kids, they can go along with this exploration and they're going to have a really good time. There also are coloring sheets at the back that they will enjoy. They will definitely enjoy playing memory. And I wrote a little song that you can sing with your littles, but some of your biggers might really enjoy it too. And it is to the tune of Do You Know the Muffin Man? So remember that tune, and it goes, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Okay, so you probably recognize that tune. The words to our song will fit with that tune. And it does have a last line written, but your kids might come up with other last lines. So have fun with that little song. Okay? Your older kids can help facilitate this exploration for your youngers, but they also may want to just do the exploration and just go into more depth with their answers, and that's really good. So encourage whatever they want to do with this exploration. Okay? The last thing I want you to really make sure you do with your kids is to take the time to reflect at the end, to talk about what they didn't know when they started, what they might have learned as they were going through it, what they liked, what they didn't like, what were their favorite parts. Just take some time to kind of tidy it all up and think about what everybody got out of it. Okay? So that was the leader for our exploration. Now, the next thing you're going to see in here is the Explorer, the Biome Explorer notebook. And this is for the kids. And they are going to do some research and fill out sheets like this. This is the grasslands biome. So they're going to do research on the grasslands, and they can draw plants and animals. They can write all about the grasslands. They could cut out magazine photos. However they want to express their learning on that page is great. Okay. Now, the very last page of the Biome Notebook has the resources that kids can use to gain that knowledge. And this is really important because we don't want you to just go to Google and Google grasslands and write down what Google says, because some of what you're going to find on Google may not be accurate or current or really what you need to learn. So use these resources if you can. The first one is a website that we have for you. The second one is one of the library databases, and those databases are available for you to use all the time whenever you need them with your library card. Third thing is, remember, you can come to the library and we have a lot of books about biomes that you would really enjoy. Lots of good pictures, a lot of facts and information. So come and check out some books to do your research too. Okay. Remember that when you do the other activities in your exploration, you might be able to use something that you learned from another part to fill out that page too. We'll go through that and you'll understand in a minute, okay? Okay, so this is my favorite part, and this is the Discovery sticker book. And you are going to see in this book that there are big spreads like this where you can stick on the stickers. Now, I'm going to show you this page of stickers. Do you think those are the stickers for the animals that live in this biome? What do you think? So, you can use the stickers in this sticker book to stick into the book, or you could use them in your Explorer's notebook too. You can do whatever works for you as far as the stickers, because there's a whole bunch of them. Okay? When you go through this, you might see that they list the biomes a little bit differently than how we listed them in our exploration, and that's okay. That's just somebody else's interpretation, and they're not all in here, so you might want to discuss the ones that aren't and see what you can come up with on your own. Have fun with that one. Okay, there are crossword puzzles, and here we go, and some word search puzzles, and these actually are going to give you some answers too. So have a good time with those. I think you'll enjoy them. Okay, coloring sheets. Several of our biomes are represented in these coloring sheets. Okay, so have a good time coloring those. Okay, this is my second favorite part. This is our memory game, and you'll see that there are 2 pages. They're just alike. Okay, you are going to cut each of these little squares out and go up and down and then go across until you have both pages are just little squares with animals on them. You're going to lay them face down on your table, and you can mix them up a little bit and get them kind of in an order. And then you're going to take turns turning over 2 of the squares at a time and seeing if you can come up with pairs. Whoever gets the most pairs will win, and you want to really pay attention because somebody else might turn over one that you will remember where the other one is. Okay? Now, while you're playing this, make sure you're talking about these biomes and about these animals and maybe the kind of adaptations those animals might have that make them able to live in that place, okay? So have a really good time with that one. Okay, now this is last but absolutely not least. This is an important page for the adults, for the facilitators in your exploration. The town of Windsor and the Clearview Library District collaborate and try to use the same theme in our Homeschoolers Academy and their Homeschoolers Day at the museum. So on November 19th, you could go to the museum and you would be able to do an exploration of human habitats. And that will correlate really closely with what we did. You can go to the Windsor History Museum, and then you will be able to go to the Art and Heritage Center and do an art project that shows what you learned. So I would encourage you to have a really good time going and doing that. Okay, so all the information you need is right here. Okay, so I want you to have a really good time being biome explorers, and I will see you next month. Have a really good time. Thank you. Bye-bye.